I got to ask this question. If I upload a spreadsheet into Google Chrome or a Word doc, and I delete that document, and I upload exactly the same document the next time, is it going to have the same Google Docs URL? The answer is absolutely no, but I'm going to show you why the answer is no. Watch what happens. I'm going to upload 3 documents. I'm going to go get File Upload. I'm going to upload these 3 documents right down here. Here they are. Document 1 is a PDF. Document number 2 is an Excel spreadsheet. And document number 3 is a document. I'm going to get all 3 of those. Hit and just select all 3 and hit Open. Now we'll give it a minute. There they are. Document 1, document 2, document 3. Now the easiest way to tell if the URL is different is to share it. So let me share these, and I'm going to copy the URL when I share it. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit the button over here to share. I'm going to hit any one of the link, copy the link, hit done. Now I created a little spreadsheet. I'll keep track of these URLs in here. So there's the share URL for the PDF. Let me go do this again for the Excel doc and the Word doc. So here's the Excel doc. I'm going to hit share. Anyone, copy the link, hit done. Excel, put that there. Here's the Word doc. Let me do it again. Highlight the Word doc, share. Anyone, copy the link, and put it in there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna select these 3 documents, and I'm gonna hit delete. And more than that, I'm going to go to my trash. Where's my trash? And I'm going to empty my trash. So they're not there at all. They're not available at all. Now, but let me show you what happens. If I do that, if I come over here and I click on that, it doesn't bring up a preview. If I click on it, it says the file is not there. Now, let's go upload those 3 documents again and see what I get this time. Go back to my temp folder. That's where I had it the first time. New file upload, go down here to document 1, 2, and 3, highlight them all, hit open, give it a second. There's document 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to copy the URL for sharing. I'm going to put it over my file. We'll come back and talk about this in a minute. Excel spreadsheet. And Word doc. So let's see what we got. So here's what we got. This is the file name that's no longer available. This is the new file name that is available. And you see the previews open up. It can preview these, but it can't preview these 3. It just shows an empty URL. So the bottom line is, and you look at this, here, I'll write a little formula. I'll say equals, is this the same as this? No, it's not. How about the next 2? No, it's not. No, it's not. Bottom line, if you upload a file or you create a file in Google Docs, no matter what type of file it is, PDF, Word doc, Excel, slide, etc., and you delete that and you upload another one, it's going to have a different URL than the original file. Hey, I'm Teddy. I teach Google Workspace and Gmail. I hope this is helpful for you. If it is, find me on Quora and follow me on Quora, or find my YouTube channel where I share all these YouTube videos, and subscribe and hit that notify button. And I hope that you get value out of this, all the videos I share, including this one here.